Well, banks are trying to make up billions in lost revenue, so don't be surprised if you get hit with higher fees this year.
Sloan Heller has this story all new this morning in the newsroom. Sloan.
Good morning, Curtis. You know, banks, especially the larger ones, under a lot of pressure right now. Lending is down, interest rates at historic lows. So if you don't typically check your statements, I know I don't, now is definitely the time to start. And you might even want to pull out those teeny tiny terms and conditions booklets, again, to find out about these fees. We sat down with a financial advisor to go through some of the most surprising fees listed in this month's consumer reports. If you lose a debit card, Bank of America charging some customers $5 to replace it, $20 to have the card rushed, which of course many of us do. The bank also charges e-banking customers almost $9 every month if they use a teller instead of an ATM. Several large banks charge a monthly checking account fee at Chase and B of A. It's up to $12 a month. Again, about $150 a year. The bank also charges $25 just to close certain accounts.
I think that as far as fees are concerned, you can avoid a lot of fees by staying on top of your account management. Overdraft fees are a big fee that banks are charging these days, and it's getting more and more expensive. Some of the bigger banks are charging up to $35 for a non-sufficient funds fee.
And coming up, because bigger banks have more overhead, their fees tend to be higher. So the big question, is it time to make that switch to a smaller bank or a credit union? We're going to catch up with Stepp and Rothwell coming up in the next half hour. For now, we are live in the newsroom. Sloan Heller, NBC Action News Today. All right.